Hey, I'm Jamie from the Crafters Workshop. I am here at Creativation in Phoenix, and I have a brand new designer I'd like you to meet. Her name is Beate Winkler. She's from Germany, and she is very well known in the Zentangling world. So she made some stencils for Zentangling, but we think you're going to love it for everything. The first one is called Dahlia Trio, and here you see it used with modeling paste and a little bit of color on top of it. Now imagine if you wanted to then do zigzags and all sorts of doodles inside that, it would be beautiful. The next one she designed is called Geo Netting. I love this. Also all hand drawn by BB. And I love the movement. I love the way that is a great background. Look at those colors, the way she got the color moving in there, the ombre of it. I love it for a background, a good starting place. The next one that she made for us is called Zentangle. And again, look at that 12 by 12. If you are a Zentangler, how much fun could you have with that? I would love to just sit there with my fine point black pen and go crazy. But instead, she did a little bit of sponging with the white and a little bit of black, and then for card making as well. It's a wonderful background. Sometimes it's hard to find those backgrounds for something that's not for a woman's card. It could be a mail card. It could be just an announcement card. It could be a background for a scrapbook page. So many possibilities. So welcome, BB, and I hope you love her stencils as much as we do.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.